Welcome to Dixie Bay in Crystal River, Florida. This well-positioned 3-bedroom, 2-bath home is located in a small, unique waterfront community on Florida's Nature Coast, only 1.5 hours north of Tampa. This well-positioned property raises the benchmark of waterfront living by being situated at the tip of the peninsula and offers everyday sights for bird watchers, nature lovers, and fishermen. In a real sense, living here is like being in a national park. There are ample walking trails for hiking less than a mile away from this home. Surrounded by protected public land with expansive, unobstructed 180-degree waterfront views to the Gulf of Mexico, this picturesque property offers water views from every room. Excellent inshore fishing from redfish, snook, trout, tarpon, and others starts within a few hundred yards of the dock. World-class kayaking is easily accessed from the floating dock. Enjoy watching dolphins, manatees, otters, bald eagles, pelicans, and many other shorebirds right from the home. For those accustomed to first-class living, life just doesn't get any better than this. Why wait? Call us today and welcome home.